If you wonder if Redmi A5 does have display fingerprint sensor, let me quickly show you. As we go into the settings and scroll down, go for the security and privacy, right here we can find the device unlock. As you can see, we have the fingerprint, but let's take a look where this fingerprint is located. So let's go in there, and as we want to add a fingerprint, let's go for the fingerprint and add another fingerprint. Right here there is no outline, there is no information like that there is this fingerprint. It's not displayed right here, but in fact the fingerprint sensor is located on this power button. As you can see, actually let me just put the finger on this fingerprint right here on the power button, and as you can see, the fingerprint gets scanned. So this basically means that the Redmi A5 doesn't have on display fingerprint sensor. The fingerprint sensor is located right here on this power button. So here is the quick answer for you. Thank you for watching.